This is Autumn Rising setting up at Kill Bill's. They will start at 6 o'clock. Y'all come out and see them.
It'll be okay. Hey, that's good.
There's one in the trailer, very noticeable.
Two, 1, 2, 1, 1. Hey. Check 1, 2, 2.
Yeah, it sucks.
Wonder where Jamie went to school. He could only count to 2.
What's your line out?
There's John King blowing his horn over there on the river.
Hey, the mic wires going to this side of the speakers over here or theirs?
We have Mr. Chris Bayless from Nashville playing with Autumn Rising tonight. Hey, Jamie.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
We come out today in hopes to sell a new insurance policy because to the business here. I was watching a thing on American Greed where the guy did that and he made millions. So we need a financial backer at the band, and we come today to sell this place an insurance policy.
Okay.
It's really like a gimmick. The band's really going to play for just a little while, but the ultimate goal is to leave here with them buying a policy.
All right. Gotcha. That was Mr. Jamie Shaw, and he's full of stuff. Here comes Ashley, our singer. There comes Mr. John King again.
I ain't even got a snare and drum key.
Chris is tuning his guitar. John is oiling his trumpet. Jamie's trying to put his drum set together. There's Chris's guitar.
That would be a G sharp.
Get the front tape, put my slide on now.
Okay, now that I'm running my battery down on my phone, I guess I'll cut it off. Y'all come out to Kill Bill's and listen to a little Autumn Rising.